I am Dr. Jumbट, Professor. I had come visited Afghanistan for the participation in the climate change conference which was held at Nangarhar University for 3 days. It was a great pleasure and great day for me to share my views with the scientists of the Afghanistan, with the teaching faculty of the Afghanistan. The program was nicely organized, it was well managed, and we were very happy with the hospitality and the arrangements regarding the conference. Regarding the conference, I would say that we have visited one of the important places, that is Naka Mori Park. Such models need to be developed in Afghanistan to combat climate change, and we have requested here the scientists to work in cooperation together so that have a baseline data, work in collaboration with each other so that these degraded lands, these deserts, they can be rehabilitated, and which will be best mitigation practice for climatic change in the Afghanistan. As climatic change is an international phenomenon, it will not leave any country, but we have to mitigate it. And the main thing is how to mitigate is to grow more and more trees. I would again congratulate the organizers of this event, administration and the government for conducting it in a nice way, and wishing this country should prosper and it become a great country in future. I hope that when all the scientists they are working here, they will work in collaboration. It will be beneficial for this country.